umbuzo omkhulu ke okhona ilo othi, do you trust the process na? Because if you don't trust the process, uzoba nesimo se-anxiety, ube restless, ube hasty, because you don't trust the process. Each and every opportunity, you will feel like jumping into it, because you don't trust ukuthi your time will eventually come. You see, you don't even trust ukuthi everything works for the common good, yabo, when it comes to you. You don't trust, yabo. So therefore, lapho kusho ukuthi awunawo ne-faith. And the painful part ngaleyo nto ukuthi i-reality njengoba ingekho fixed kanjalo, it is being manufactured as you go, yabo. It is manufactured as you go, as you engage with it. So if you don't trust the process, so it means energetically speaking and emotionally, because emotions is an energy in motion, there's this desperation kind of thing that is detected when, and as a result, that will make things to collapse on your side. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelela changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabo, in the near future, ukuthi what is your destiny, what is your what is your destiny? Khona lelinye igama bengilifuna. At the end, i-destiny yakho ayikho fixed, yabo. Ayikho fixed i-destiny yakho. It keeps on changing as when you move with the reality. So it is impacted and affected by you at a distance. Your destiny is constantly changing from here to it. About the distance between your destiny and where you are right now. There is this thing called a quantum entanglement. So you and your destiny are one. As you think, as you feel, as you do, your destiny is changing